Hey guys, welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi and something really awkward has just happened with me and I want to share it with you. So I've just received this box from somewhere which is like really nicely gift wrapped. Almost, it looks like a gift wrap to me, obviously. And I don't know where it has come from. I have no idea who has sent this to me. But I decided to record this on a video because I'm pretty sure it's from one of my sponsors. Because on the address, there's a name of a person and the name of there's an address. But there's no name of a company, but it comes from New Delhi, and I have a couple of people that I'm working with who are from New Delhi. So I'm guessing this is from one of those companies. So long story short, I'm gonna open this wrapping paper in front of you guys and see what's in this box. Right now, I'm not expecting anything from New Delhi. I'm expecting it like after 2 or 3 weeks from a couple of places, but I wasn't expecting this today. So let me open this thing and show you guys what's in there. It's beautifully gift wrapped, by the way. None of my sponsors, none of the clients I've worked with have ever sent me anything so nicely wrapped. In fact, I love the wrapping paper. It makes for a nice nail art inspiration as well. And what is this? What is this? What is this? Seriously, what is this? Oh my god, I've already received this. Okay, look at it. This is basically an epilator. Can you see it? Okay. I wasn't expecting this right now. I mean, I knew I was going to get an epilator from Philips, but I wasn't expecting this right now. I was expecting to get this after like about a week because I just had talked to this company. So like, they sent it like very, very fast. Wow. Okay, and I have no idea why they actually wrapped it up in a gift box. But I think it was really nice of them. Probably because they knew that I tend to do unboxing in my videos. Okay, so they have sent me a little letter over here where they have talked about how to use an epilator. I think it's really nice. And do you want to hear this? I think I should read this out. How to use an epilator. First, you need to prepare your skin. You need to free it of any moisturizer. I'm sorry, actually, you know what? I need to read this because I've never used an epilator in my life. So how to use an epilator? You first need to remove any moisture from your skin. Then you need to use the epilator by holding it at a 90-degree angle against the hair growth. Then you need to keep moisturizing your skin regularly on a daily basis and enjoy the beautiful smooth skin. So basically you need to clean your skin so that all the moisture is gone and then you use your epilator. I'm sorry this video is turning so random, but I'm actually really surprised to get this. Okay, so this is the epilator. By the way, I'll just tell you what this product is called. Philips Satinel Essential Epilator. You know what, I'll actually link it. I'll write down the whole name and I'll just link it in the description box below so you can see what product I'm talking about. I don't know. This is what the box looks like from the inside, okay? There's this epilator over here and then there's a little box over here and okay, it's a cap, it's an epilator, I don't know what to call this, an epilator cap kind of a thing. Okay, this is what it looks like. And then there is an instruction manual, of course, a proper manual on how to use this thing. Comes with all electronics. I'll read this later. I just want to see what's in the box first. And there is a charger. So I don't know if this is to be plugged in directly or is there a battery. So I'll have to check that first. Okay, and then there's a brush with the help of which you can clean your epilator. What is this? Do you have any idea what this is? For all my viewers who have already used epilators, you must be like, what in the world is she talking about? I'm sorry guys, it's the first time I'm, like holding an epilator. I've never actually used an epilator, or I've seen one, my friend uses one, but I've never actually fooled around with it or anything. So this is a wire. I know how they're supposed to work. I need to read the instruction manual, guys. Okay, so I'm done reading the manual. It was a little confusing at first. Let me quickly explain this product to you guys. Now this is the epilator. It does not contain a battery, let me specify that, so don't make the mistake that I just made. You just need to connect the plug directly. It contains two kinds of caps, okay? So this is for shaving. This one is just for like proper trimming of hair, shaving. And this is like the proper epilator, the thing that removes hair from the roots. So it's equivalent to your waxing. This is basically a special cap for sensitive areas. So suppose you are using the epilator on a very sensitive area, or if you have like a really sensitive skin, you can just put the cap like this. And what happens is that it creates a distance between the epilator and your skin. So it does not like pull your skin very tightly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this epilator on my hand. I don't have a lot of hair on my hand right now, but I think it would be a good idea to just try it in front of you guys so you know what I'm talking about. I don't think I'll be using this cap, although I'm a little bit scared. It's my first time using an epilator, but I don't have sensitive skin. I think I should do just fine. So yeah, I don't know if the camera will focus. In fact, you know what, if you want a close-up look, this is what the epilator looks like. And it's got a like really nice cute pattern, but anyways, that's not what I'm going to talk about now. Let me try this epilator out. It says that I need to use this against the skin, and oh, in case you guys are wondering, yes, I have already washed my hands, so not to worry. And okay, I hope the camera is focused and I hope you guys can see it. I'm going to turn on the epilator and start working on this thing now. Let's hope this thing works, and let's start. So as I'm sure I don't need to explain, this thing definitely works. And if you're wondering if it hurts, yes, it does. It hurts a little bit. It doesn't hurt like waxing. It's like, you know, something pinching your skin, but it moves like in a very smooth way on your skin. So I think like that's a very good thing. You know what, this was the epilator which this was the cap which actually removes hair from the roots. Let me try the trimmer thing as well so that you can have live demonstration of both. I think there's definitely a difference. Like for example, here my skin has become a little bit red. So for this, I think I'll apply an aloe vera gel after I'm done like removing hair from the whole of my hand. Whereas over here, you know, it was like definitely faster to use the trimmer, and my hands are not red, but you know, like here my hands definitely do feel a lot more smooth than this one. I think it's good that we have a combination of both the shaver as well as the epilator in one package, because here sometimes when you remove hair from the roots, like for example my hair, it was like very short. I was honestly wondering if it would be able to remove the hair at all. It was like really tiny, so I'm quite surprised that the epilator could remove that hair. But if your hair is like even shorter, the epilator obviously will not be able to pick it up, in which case you can always use the shaver to remove that hair, because as you know, hair actually grows in cycles. So it would be absolutely impossible for any epilator or anything in the world to remove all the hair from the roots if some of it is still in the growing stage, which is bound to happen. So in that case, a shaver could really come in handy after you're done using the epilator. I think it's a really neat process. Another thing that I want to show to you guys is that like epilators claim that they remove hair from the roots, and I know a lot of people complain about that not actually being the case. But as you can see over here, that the hair actually has been removed from the roots, so I think that is very impressive. So well, that was my experience trying epilator for the first time. It was a pretty nice experience actually, because I've never used one and I was expecting it to like really hurt. It hurts a little bit, but it does not hurt as much as I was expecting it to hurt, so I think that's like a really good thing. For me, I think this epilator, for this, my final verdict would be that it's a good product. And if you're looking for a new epilator, I think this would be a good product to try out, because if as a beginner I could figure out how to use it so quickly, and if I could use it and remove like really tiny hair, that means this thing really works. If you have any suggestions for me on how I can use this epilator better, if you've been using epilators for a long time, and if you have any of your own feedbacks for me, please write so in the comment section below. So I hope you will come back soon. And yeah, I need to shut up now because I have been talking for so long. So thanks for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.